How to feed fish on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can feed fish on Temu. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, the next thing you want to do is tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Here, you will find different options such as All Gifts Waiting, Fishland, and Redeem Credit. Go ahead and tap on the Fishland option. With this, you have to raise fish to get those free items. Tap on the Get Now option over here. Now, here it says tap to feed, so go ahead and tap on this option over here. As you can see, the fish is now being feeded. Now you want to tap on the Collect option. Here it says collect 5 more fish to earn an item worth $5.49. So all you want to do is feed those fishes over here. Now, as you can see, there is no food for the fish. So if you want to get some food, tap on Get 250-gram option over here. Now you will get 250 gram per new app user, which means you will have to invite your friends and get fish food. You can invite friends using these applications or copy the link or copy the code. Once you have invited your friends, you will get more fish food, which you can feed to these fishes. After you collect 5 fishes, you will earn a free item. And this is how you can feed fish on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.